Good afternoon. Today we are going to discuss Module 5B last part, Project Design and Network Analysis. In last module we have understood what is network analysis, importance and need. And there are so many techniques involved for depending on the various application of the project. There are PERT and CPM, they become more popular, and that is in your syllabus also. What is their origin, advantage and limitations? Origin of the PERT and CPM we have to discuss. Origin of PERT CPM technique. PERT nothing but program evaluations and review technique. PERT was first developed as a management aid or networking technique development of project schedule and evaluation for Polaris ballistic missile in USA during 1958. Ballistic missile everybody knows, and it worked well, and it is completed the project well in advance. Whereas CPM, critical path method, it was developed by first time in DuPont in USA in 1956 for during periodic overhauling and maintenance of the chemical plant. CPM does difference between planning and scheduling of the project. Steps in network analysis. If you come to network, everything has to be step by step. You have to follow the modules, of the PERT and CPM. These are the common things which we are going to discuss, which is nothing but network analysis. We are having some common features in PERT and CPM, which is following. Important points which we are going to discuss now is establishment, the project objective, scheduling work breakdown in details, moreover interaction between technical and managerial person also it is there. Steps involving PERT analysis only. It is whole project can be considered the set of references, so it can be broken down to the sequence of event and activity. So we have to define in PERT what are the events, what are the activities and major activities, events, and we keep bifurcating, and we are making the entire activities and events into a small part. The event should be considered as different branches of operation, and then we can consider these events as a different branch of operation. Different segments of the project are treated as separate network, which are finally integrated to the overall technique, right? Steps in PERT continuation. Finally, these all networks are combined to a final project network. Then time estimate can be done based upon the previous similar type of operation in network analysis. Determination of critical path also, event selection, activity flows, development of project schedule also it does. Cost estimate would depend on the project time estimate, how exactly you are, based on the time, how much taking, cost estimate is getting calculated. The physical progress of the project, nature of event, job form and snag in different areas of project work will call the corrective action of the appropriate time. Definitely the delaying in scheduled time frame in finishing report save and reduce the penalties. Advantage and disadvantage of the PERT. PERT and CPM. Advantage of PERT, it determines the expected time required for completing each activity. Also, it helps the management to complete the project in expected time. It helps the reducing the element of risk. It helps enables detailed planning of activity. Disadvantage of the PERT, difficult to provide the realistic and correct time estimates for new activities in the absence of the past data. No provision for various activities. The effective control of project using PERT, it called the frequent update and revision of calculations, which is costly affair. Advantage of CPM. The planning refers to the determination of the activities of the accomplished. The scheduling refers to the introduction of the time, scheduling each activity of the project. The duration of different activities in CPM are deterministic and having precise non-time for each activity of the project. What is the difference between PERT and CPM? See, if you talk about origin, PERT was originated from the military applications. CPM is originated from the industry. PERT event-oriented approach, whereas CPM activity-oriented approach. PERT allows uncertainty, but CPM does not allow any uncertainty. But it has 3 time estimate, whereas CPM doesn't take any estimate, only 1 time estimate it takes. Not many times. PERT time-based, CPM cost-based system, PERT pro-ballistic missile application-based technology. It is developed as a PERT. CPM deterministic model. There is no demarcation between our critical and non-critical activities. Also, in CPM, it is mark critical activity. It mark critical activity. In PERT, it is suitable where high precision is required in time estimate, and CPM suitable where requirement for precision is reasonable. So critical points has been marked by the PERT, where CPM is not, and this is 3 time estimate PERT, where CPM doesn't take any estimates. Okay, these are the major areas, and moreover PERT is event approach, and CPM is activity approach. They are dividing all activities in small activities and consider a small network, and as a whole they are combining the things as a module, and that they are using it. Thank you very much for this video you are listening.